Hello everyone, Quick Helper here. In today's video, I'll guide you through adding a music bot to your Discord server. First, you have to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Then go to your server settings and click on App Directory. Search for a bot called Greenbot. Click on it and select Add to Server. Choose your server and agree to the terms and authorize it. Once added, join a voice channel and type the command slplay in the text channel, followed by the song you want to play. The bot will start playing the song. You can add more songs to the queue using the same command, and that's how you add music to bot to Discord server and PC or laptop. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.